has issued a flash flood warning for central Orange County in southeastern New York until 4:45 p.m. At 1:39 p.m., Doppler radar and automated gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Middletown, Port Jervis, Walden, Warwick, Goshen, Chester, Montgomery, Florida, Unionville, Maybrook and Scotchtown. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.